You probably heard about how important prompting is, and it absolutely is. The easiest way I can explain it is, imagine walking into a sandwich shop and saying, "Hey, give me a sandwich." Sure, you'll get a sandwich, but it's probably not going to be the one you wanted. Maybe you wanted a chicken sandwich and you got a cucumber one instead. Who knows? But the point is, the better your instructions to the sandwich attendant, the better your sandwich, and similarly, the better your prompt to the AI tool you're using, the better the result you're going to get. So, what I'm going to do is in under 3 minutes, I'm going to teach you this super easy prompting framework that's going to give you substantially better results, and it's going to be easy to remember. So, if you're not using something already, this video is going to help you. So stick around. Here's the TLDW version. Just craft your prompts. That's all you need to remember. Craft. And that's the framework. Let me share something here, and you can take a screenshot if you'd like, but this is right here, craft. We got C for context, R for role, A for audience, F for format, and T for task. Now I'm going to give you an example of how I use the craft framework along with the dictate feature to input the prompt efficiently. So for context, I'm a first-time dad. I have a 1-month-old at home, so I have a lot of newbie dad questions. So I could use some help. For role, I'd like you to take on the role of a pediatric nurse with 15 to 20 years of experience, working with newborns and their parents and addressing all their common concerns. Audience would be me, a first-time parent. Format would be bullet point or tabular. The task would be to develop a checklist for sleep safety with nice checkboxes beside it, and a feeding schedule and shower schedule for the upcoming 6 months, given that he's 1 month now. So from month 1 to month 7. Let's see the results. It usually does a really good job at transcription. But let's give it a second here. And I'm just going to hit send. Okay, so we got sleep safety checklist. Very good. We have feeding schedule. Excellent. Tabular format till month 7. And a bath schedule, month 1 to 7. Perfect. And that is it. You are good to go. That is a super simple prompting framework explained in under 3 minutes as promised. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos like this every week. So I'll see you next week.